വെച്ചു വെച്ചു എന്താ പറയണ്ടെന്ന്
Today I am telling the story about the 4 friends. One day there were 3 friends, a turtle, a mouse and a crow. They were talking near the lake. Suddenly a deer came there. The turtle said, "You are new here. I didn't see you in this jungle before." The deer said, "My old forest there were no friends. I was alone. I tried to be friends with other animals. They don't want to be my friend." The turtle, the crow and the mouse looked at each other and said, We are 3 friends before. Now we are 4. One day they all went different directions to eat food. One day the deer didn't return. The turtle said, "The sun is almost set. Where is deer?" The all 3 friends worried. The crow looked for the deer and saw the deer trapped in a net. The 3 friends rushed there and the crow said to the mouse, "Gnaw the net and free the deer." The mouse started gnawing the net and the deer became free. Thank you.